Runoyalam ke Kongres uba Roni Willingdo laong ba ke Jingkhang jong ke State Congress kayai Plie na ke Bynta jongno ru. Ya ke neu laong hadin bakala don ke Jingkhang ba u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ban Wanphai biang sya ke seng Kongres.
You see, let us not go into any specific individual. The Congress party is open to everyone. Okay. So it's not a question of one person or two persons or three persons. The party is open to the doors to everyone. But if you are willing to work for the interest of the party within the party's ideology.
But so like the Tura MP has already made it clear that there's no input for Mukul Sangma and others who have left the party to come back.
I think that you should ask the MP, because as a party we're yet to take a decision. We're yet to have a discussion on this matter. But then, as we say, the Congress party welcomes everyone and anyone. We're not talking about any particular individual.